Hello students, now this is the last chapter of your maths textbook, chapter number 14, Smart Charts. In this chapter, you will know how to collect the information from different peoples. It may be your family members, it may be your friends, it may be your teachers also. But you need some useful techniques to how to collect the information or how to write the numbers inside it. But you need to make one table in your rough paper and then you need to collect the information while asking the peoples around you. Now the topic is given in your textbook that how much time you spend for watching TV. So you have to write this information in these blanks. If you spend the 2 hours, then you can write 2 years. If you spend more than 2 hours, then you can also write 6. But remember that in this chapter, no number is perfect because it is based on your information, how your numbers are collected. So please don't copy the number. It is not compulsory that if Miss had written this number, then you have to write that number only. You can write your numbers also, but learn how to write the information inside it. Now your question is given the time you spend in front of a TV or radio every day. Do this for 1 week and the time spent in a week is. So if you spend 2 hours for watching TV in a day, but here it is given week. Week means 7 days. So 7 into 2, it will be 14 hours. Same as down, it is given about spending the watching TV in a month. Means in a month it may be 30 days and 31. So you will write 30 into 2. So 3 into 2 is 6 and 0. So it will be 60 hours. Now you have to write the information inside this box. You have to collect from your friends how they spend the week while watching the TV or listening to the radio. Now they are not listening to the radio. They may be hearing some songs or music in the mobile or watching in the YouTube. So you can write this here. Here you have to write the numbers inside this box. Here it is given more than 6 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours. How many hours they are spending to watching TV or listening the music, then you can write here. For example, number of children. Number of children means it may be 20 children, it may be 25. But first of all, you have to ask to your friend that how many hours they are spending for watching TV. So you can write here 25 children are watching TV for more than 6 hours. It's not good to watch TV for 6 hours. Then more than 6 hours. 6 hours is also not good. You have 15 children, 5 hours, 10 children, 4 hours, 8. Like this you have to collect the data and you have to write inside this box. Now let's see what is the next question. From your table you have to complete this information. While first topic is to complete the table and then second you have to complete this information. So this becomes your data collection of data. Now here you have to write the answers. Watching TV or listening to the radio, blank children spend more than 6 hours in a week. If you have written 25, then you can write 25 answer here, more than. And remember, in this chapter, more than, less than, least, these words you have to remember always. More than you know means more, less than means down. Then next is children spend no time at all. If you didn't get this information, then don't write. But In your textbook, one space is given. Here it is. It is written 0 hour. Do not watch. Then if you had written the number of children, then you can write the answer here. So complete this box from the information you had collected. Now here most children spend dash hours in a week. So how many hours they are spending while watching the TV or listening the radio, you have to write that answer here. Now next is blank children spend more than 3 hours. So you have to write this more than 3 hours. How you will collect? I will show you here. More than 3 hours means 4, 5, 6 and more than 6 hours. So you have to add these numbers here. For example here, if you are written 25, then you are 15, then you are 10 and then 8. So you have to add these numbers 25 plus 15 plus 10 and plus 8. By adding this number, you will get this answer here. So you have to write the answer here. Then now your data is completed. Next table, you have to write the programs which your family members see, likes and dislikes. But here different kinds of program it is given here: sports, music, play, serials, etc. So this type of program you have to write inside this box, and you have to write your family members, and you also have to ask them which program they like and which program they dislike. So you can write here first mother, father, then brother, sister, uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandmother and yourself. Then program they like. Here it is given such as cartoons, news, sports, music, plays, serials. So you can write it here, and then you have to ask to your mother if she like to watch serials. Then you have to write the answer here, serials. And what she hate or what she dislike. If she hate to watch news, then you have to write it here. Like this you have to complete this box. This is of like box and this is of dislike box. So you have to complete this box while asking your family members, and then you have to complete this information, the kind of program most family members like. If your family members likes to watch comedy serials or any sport channels or music, then you can write it here. But I think so your answer will not come, because most family members will like different channels. And here the kind of program most family members dislike. Most of them they dislike sport channel or a news channel. So please collect the information, and while collecting information then complete this box. Now table number 2, about program only. Find out from 20 friends the program they like and dislike. Same as it is, but this is the record of your friends. Now here one poem is given, Who is my friend? From this poem you have to complete these next questions. Which word comes most often in the poem? I have a friend with me always, in the night and through the days. When I run, he runs with me. Sometimes I lead, sometimes he. When it's dark, he can't be seen. Do you know which friend I mean? It's maybe your shadow. So you have to find out the words I. For how many times? 4 times. So your answer will be I heard. Then you have to find out the letters.